Iced coffee recipe. 1/2 cup of coffee grounds, your preferred blend. 2 cups of water, ice cubes, milk or cream optional. Sweetener like sugar, honey, or flavored syrup optional. 1. Brew a strong pot of coffee using your preferred method: drip, French press, etc. 2. If you're using a drip coffee maker, use about 1/2 cup of coffee grounds to 2 cups of water. 3. Allow the coffee to cool to room temperature. If you're in a hurry, you can put it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Fill a glass with ice cubes. 5. Once the coffee is cooled, pour it over the ice. If you prefer a stronger coffee taste, use more coffee and less ice. 6. Add a splash of milk, cream, or a non-dairy alternative if you like your iced coffee creamy. 7. Stir in sugar, honey, or flavored syrup to taste. You can also use simple syrup, sugar dissolved in water to sweeten without worrying about the sugar not dissolving. 8. Stir your iced coffee to combine all the ingredients, and it's ready to enjoy. For an extra smooth iced coffee, you can try cold brewing the coffee overnight, 8 to 12 hours in the fridge instead of brewing it hot. Experiment with flavors by adding vanilla extract, cinnamon, or flavored syrups. Enjoy your refreshing iced coffee. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comments section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description.